So this morning I'm making a breakfast flatbread. I picked these up at Aldi. I just put it on a baking sheet, foil lined it for easy cleanup, buttered it because everything's better with butter. So then we're going to start out first with some spinach. Just lay this on here. And we'll cook down a little when it's in the oven. Next, I'm going to build a cheese wall to try to hold my eggs in. This is cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever you like. So I'm just going to kind of put it around like this. So when I break the eggs in there, they won't all squish out onto the pan. It's a 2-egg kind of day. So I'm just going to crack these right in the middle. There's one. That's working pretty well. One more. Voila. I got a tomato laying around, so I'm going to add a little bit of chopped tomato on top too. You could add whatever veggies you like. And then I'm just going to add a little fresh ground pepper. Sounds like I need some more pepper in my pepper grinder. And a little bit of kosher salt. Love using kosher salt. Kosher salt's my go-to for everything, baking and cooking. And I like it because the grains are bigger and they're not as salty as table salt. So it's easier to control how much salt you're putting in. All right, I'm going to pop this guy in the oven. It's at 400 degrees. And I like my eggs a little bit runny. So it's probably going to take, I don't know, 15, maybe 20 minutes. So see you in a bit. So here's my finished breakfast flatbread. This was exactly 20 minutes. You can see the eggs are still a little runny. Let's cut into this baby and see how it looks. Ooh, listen to that crunch. Looking delish. Here we go. Ooh, perfect. Look at that. Runny egg. All that cheese, the tomato. All right, it's time to give this breakfast flatbread a try. Here we go. That's tasty. You want to give this recipe a try. Have a great day.